Calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and the material usage variance. Means you have to find out all the three variances for this sum. They have given us the standard as well as they have given us the information about the actual one. Now material कितना लगा है, स्टैंडर्ड सेट क्या क्या था मटेरियल का 500 kgs, बट एक्चुअली में कितना हमने बनाया जब 450 kgs. सेम वे व्हाट वाज द प्राइस दैट वाज बीन सेट 6 kg पे हम बाय करना है, ये हमने स्टैंडर्ड सेट करके रखा था, बट एक्चुअली में जब हमने खरीदने गए तब हमने कितने में खरीदा उसको 8 रुपीज पर kg में. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड आउट द दिस थ्री थिंग्स. So we can just apply the formula and we can find it out. So first we will be finding out for the material cost variance. What is a variance? Variance is nothing but it is a difference between the standard and the actual. Okay, so what was the formula for the material cost variance? देखो फर्स्ट सम है तो we will be writing down whole standard minus actual. Now what standard minus what actual? So you have to write down standard quantity into standard rate minus actual quantity into actual rate. अब देखो what is the standard quantity given over here? 500. So 500 into 6 minus 450 into 8 rupees. So this will be 3000 minus 450 into 8. It gives me 3600, which will be equals to 600. अब मुझे ये बताओ, is it favorable or it is adverse? Negative answer आया, so it is an adverse situation, correct? It is adverse. So here after writing down 600 you have to write down A in the bracket for the adverse. So with this we got our first one, that is a material cost variance is equals to 600 is adverse. Done. So we have find it out the first one. Now second one, what they have asked us to find the second. The next one is material price variance. So fine, let's find out the material price variance now. Price, it means they are speaking about a rate. What is the formula for it? Actual quantity and in the multiplied by standard price minus actual price, or you can write actual rate. ठीक है, either you can write price or you can just write down the rate as well. ठीक है, both is correct. Actual quantity कितनी बनी है 450. Here you will be writing down 450 bracket में. What is the standard price? 6 rupees. Actual कितना था 8. So this will be 450 into minus 2. This comes to how much? 900 rupees, but adverse. ₹900 adverse. So let's write the total material price variance is equal to rupees 900 and adverse. Okay, now the third thing which we need to find it out is material usage variance. Okay, so let's find out material usage variance now. What is the formula for the same? Standard price, and in the bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity. Now, what is the standard price given? 6 rupees. So 6. The bracket standard quantity is how much? 500. Actual quantity was 450. So 6 into 50. This will be equals to how much? Rupees 300. और ये favorable है. So we will be writing down F for the favorable. So and last में हम लिखेंगे material variance is equal to rupees 300, and since we got a positive answer, so we have written it as a favorable. अब देखो class, now here how to cross verify whether your this sum is correct or not. Do you know the cross verification का? हमें अगर क्रॉस वेरीफाई करना है कि whether we have done whatever we have done is correct or not, can we cross verify the same? Yes, we can cross verify the same. How? See your class, I am writing down material cost variance. I am using MCV for the same. Shortcut is always equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. ये हमेशा याद रखो कि cost will be equal to हमेशा price plus usage. Now MCV is equals to, अब हमें ये देखना है कि मटीरियल प्राइस वेरिएंस कितना आया. मटीरियल प्राइस वेरिएंस वी गॉट 900 एडवर्स, तो हियर आई एम राइटिंग डाउन -900. ठीक है, प्लस मटीरियल यूजेज वेरिएंस. मटीरियल यूजेज वेरिएंस कितना है? 300 बट फेवरेबल, सो हियर आई विल बी राइटिंग डाउन 300. अब देखो माइनस प्लस बिकम्स माइनस, साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर, so this will give me the answer -600. That is adverse. देखो अब देखो, जस्ट क्रॉस वेरीफाई करो. डू वी गॉट अ मटेरियल कॉस्ट वेरिएंस एज 600 adverse? Yes. So this is how even you can cross check your answer. ये मटेरियल प्राइस वेरिएंस प्लस मटेरियल यूजेज वेरिएंस का जो आंसर आया, द सेम आंसर मटेरियल कॉस्ट वेरिएंस का भी आ सकता है. तो you can even find it out like this. So I'm just showing you the sums one.